Ever wondered why your money disappears so quickly? I was in the same condition a long time ago. Today, I want to share a personal story about how I learned to manage my money. Trust me, it's a game changer. I used to have a bit of a problem. I didn't know how to manage my money at all. I'd get my paycheck and before I knew it, every single penny was gone. I'd spend on everything from the latest gadgets to eating out every day. Sounds familiar, right? One day I realized I had nothing left for emergencies or future plans. I felt stuck and stressed out. But then, I learned something that changed my life forever. I discovered the 50-30-20 rule. This simple budgeting technique helped me take control of my finances and start saving for my future. Today I'm going to share with you how the 50-30-20 rule works and how you can use it to manage your money better. Whether you're a teenager just starting to earn or someone looking to get a handle on your finances, this method is for you. So let's learn how to manage your money like pros. Alright, let's break down the 50-30-20 rule. It's super simple and incredibly effective. First up, needs. This is 50% of your income and covers essential expenses like rent, groceries, and bills. Think of it as the must-haves. Next, we have wants, which take up 30% of your income. These are things you enjoy but don't necessarily need, like eating out, entertainment, and hobbies. Finally, savings. This is 20% of your income set aside for the future. It could be for emergencies, big goals, or just building a financial cushion. Imagine this: you get your paycheck. First, you cover your phone bill and groceries. That's your 50% for needs. Then you treat yourself to a movie and some new clothes. That's your 30% for wants. Finally, you set aside money for future goals, like investing in stocks or an emergency fund. That's your 20% for savings. That's the 50-30-20 rule in action. Now that we've covered the basics, let's dive into some practical tips to make managing your money even easier. First up, budgeting tools. There are some fantastic apps out there like Mint, YNAB, and even simple spreadsheets that can help you track your expenses. These tools make it super easy to see where your money is going and help you stay on top of your budget. Next, automate savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account. This way you don't even have to think about it. Your savings grow without any extra effort. It's like having a personal assistant for your finances. If you have debt, prioritize debt. Allocate more of your budget towards paying it off. This will save you money on interest in the long run and help you become debt-free faster. Think of it as clearing the path to financial freedom. Finally, review and adjust. Regularly assess your budget and make changes as needed. Life happens and your financial situation can change. By keeping an eye on your budget, you can make sure you're always on track. These tips will help you stay organized and make the most of your money. Remember, managing your finances is a journey, and these tools are here to help you along the way. Alright, let's recap the 50-30-20 rule. It's simple. 50% of your income goes to needs, things like rent, groceries, and bills. 30% goes to wants, those fun extras like dining out and entertainment. And 20% goes to savings, building your future and financial security. This rule is a game changer. It helps you take control of your money, reduce stress, and start saving for your goals. So, what are you waiting for? Start today. But wait, what if I told you not to save money? You might think I'm crazy, but hear me out. I recommend you never save even a single penny for long if you want to become truly rich. Sounds shocking, right? Do you want to know why I'm saying this? Click on the video coming up on your screen right now and discover the secret that rich people don't want you to know about. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. I'll see you there.